Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced, and right here we have to find the reset options, so let's enter. As you can see, on the second position we've got reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is the option we're looking for, and here your device is informing you what it will reset. So just tap on reset settings if you're ready. Here we've got the info that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset if you're ready. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.